This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Pat Wiss. Off-season rental. The beautiful color scheme makes this 2-bedroom/2-bath, split floor plan condo, a most delightful place to enjoy a vacation. The open kitchen, dining room and living room make for an enjoyable time while cooking a meal, dining or just relaxing in the comfortable living room. Escape to your private master bedroom with queen bed, flat screen wall TV, large walk-in closet and master bath with walk-in shower. Guest bedroom has twin beds and guest bathroom has tub shower. Washer and dryer are located steps away from kitchen, making laundry day a breeze. The enclosed Florida room with plantation shutters has a his and hers desk. Screened garage has space to park your car out of the weather. Screened entryway has patio table and chairs to sit and enjoy the warm Florida breezes while you enjoy reading a book or sipping a cup of your favorite coffee. Kings Point is a 55-plus active senior community located in Sun City Center, offering residents 24-hour security, 6 pools, tennis courts, fitness center, and numerous clubs and activities from fitness to arts, crafts, social events, travel, and much more. Sun City is minutes from I-75 and is centrally located to St. Petersburg, Tampa and Sarasota with amazing pristine beaches. This is a 4-month minimum rental with no pets, no smoking. Golf cart and grill are not included in lease. Condo available May 1, 2022 through October 31, 2022. For more information, review the details below or contact Pat Wiss at 813-642-1500.